Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down one more time and click on Privacy section located under Updates. Then choose Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Now click on one of those apps under one of those categories. In my case, Chrome from Not Allowed one. Then click on the best option for you to apply it and go back. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can also select any feature to access an app that you wish to manage, like Gallery. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Permissions. Now manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!